Hello friends. Today we are repairing a Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite phone. The phone does not turn on and is stuck on the screensaver. Our task is to get all the data from the phone. As the client said, he turned on the camera on his phone and the phone froze. After rebooting, the phone is stuck on the screensaver and does not turn on. I asked if the phone had fallen. The client replied that it didn't seem to have fallen. The client himself peeled off the cover in order to try to disconnect the battery cable to reboot the phone. He thought that this would help. But no. As a rule, such problems occur with the phone after a fall. It either does not turn on or hangs on the screensaver. So let's disassemble the phone. And so friends, as the client said that after turning on the camera his phone froze, let's turn off all the cameras and see how the phone behaves. Let's install the board back but disconnecting everything unnecessary from the board. Let's leave only the display and battery connected. Let's check. And friends, the problem is clearly not with the camera, but most likely one of the microcircuits has shifted due to a fall. Let's remove all possible screens and see whether the microcircuits are there with the compound or not. Now I'll look on the internet what kind of microcircuits they are. They are without compound and after a fall they can shift and microcracks may form under them. In general, in an ideal case, look up the service manual on the internet. but it's not a fact that I will be able to find it. A service manual is needed in order to find out exactly where the microcircuits we need are located. Specifically the processor and flash memory. And friends, the phone started up after the following steps. I warmed up 2 power controllers. You can now see the photo in the photo. After warming up these microcircuits, the phone started up. Now you need to connect it to your computer and try to retrieve important data. The person has already bought a new phone. All he needs is to get important data. Now I find out from him the graphic key in order to log into the phone. I was able to download data from the phone. The computer saw the phone in normal mode. I warmed up 2 power controllers and the phone started working. Ideally, you need to remove the screens from the phone and warm up the processor and all the microcircuits that are without compound and shake them so that they are perfectly soldered into place. But this is a different story and a different cost of work. Besides, when removing the screen, you can demolish small SMD components. Perhaps by the way, when the power controllers warmed up, the processor and flash memory warmed up, or perhaps it was just the power controller. Well, let's collect the phone. As you can see, the phone is working. Let's reboot it. Well, that's all friends. The task was to restore the data and I managed to cope with this task. The phone is still working. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. Good luck with your repairs, friends. See you later.